All right, I'm ready to start day 7 of this Miata Restoration project. Today's goals will be to button up the rear end of this new soft top and then reinstall the carpets, the seat belts, along with the plastic trim. But also, I think there's a possibility that the new door speakers might come in the mail today. I'm not sure if I'll get to that project today or tomorrow. Needless to say, there are many different projects that I could be working on, but I'm definitely going to start on finishing up the soft top and putting the interior back together. All right, just a quick update here. I did get the rain rail and the back end of the soft top bolted in. There's a little dip right here, and I'm not sure exactly what the cause of that would be. So I'm going to look into that, see if I need to tighten down that rain rail any. But the soft top came with a little bit of extra fabric. I decided to temporarily toss that in the trunk just so my brother doesn't have to put things directly on the metal back here. It's obviously not going to be a permanent solution, but it's better than nothing. And I'm about ready to reinstall the carpets back here, as well as the seat belts and pretty much everything that we took out. Another quick little thing that I want to do is make sure that the drains are not clogged where the water runs off of the roof. So in these Miatas, you can imagine if it's raining, water might come down this way, and it should, if this all works properly, come into the rain rail, come over to here, and then on the inside, and I might need a flashlight or something to show you this. So hopefully you can see that down there. There is a drain that goes straight from there down to underneath the car, and they have that on both sides. This can often get clogged, and when there's water buildup there, that'll contribute to mold and mildew. So I am going to reshape a coat hanger and attempt to unclog that. Okay, yeah, you can see the coat hanger did come all the way through. I did get a little bit of gunk out of there. This is something that I might also do with my 91 while I'm thinking about it. Maybe. Oh. Push the whole hose out. Ah, jeez. I'll show you what I'm looking at. So this looks like it's meant to only allow water one way through, but I think it has caused some debris to get stuck in there. So we'll see if we can work that through. I didn't really want to shove this whole thing out. So we'll see what I can do about that. Oh, that hose. Probably, you know, I'll leave it down a little while I do this, but get some of it out. Let's see if I can get this to work the other direction again. All right, I checked the rain rail here. I tightened down the bolts, and I still have that little kind of reverse bubble going on. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on with that. But I was able to reinstall the door trim and the carpets in the back. So the seats are just about ready to go in, but I wanted to vacuum this out first. And we did get some new speakers in the mail. So before I vacuum this out, I'm going to quickly uninstall these old speakers, reinstall the new ones, and hopefully, if everything goes well with that, I might take a look at the headrest speakers and see whether or not I want to replace those as well. All right, here's the new speaker. I did test and I made sure that the little panel fit back on there. I did have to drill a couple of new holes, which is something I'm not usually comfortable with. But I did it, and I don't think there was any issue with it. I reinstalled these two screws, and there was a little adapter, and then everything was pretty much plug and play. But I'm about to turn on the car now and double check, make sure the speakers work. Alright, I clicked on the radio, and it does seem like it's working. We'll see if I can flip it to a better channel. Oh, okay. So, yeah, that's not the speaker. We just have a weather advisory or something. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's an Amber Alert.
Urgent weather message.
Oh, weather?
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Carroll County in east central Ohio, southwestern Columbiana County and east central Ohio.
Well, hey, on the bright side, that is, I don't think that's copyrighted. Alright, I did the same thing on this side that I had done on that side. That side now has the little cover on it. I'll put the cover on this side as soon as I do this test. Alright, with the interior cleaned out, I think that's a good stopping point for day 7. I'm excited to wash the outside of the car next, and then lift it up, pull the wheels off, and do a deep clean of the wheels. And there are still a few other little projects, but overall the car's coming together real well, and I'm excited that it's pretty much ready to be driven on the streets. Alright, and with that, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you in day 8.